My name's Kyle. I'm a mill leader down here in the mill. Eric is down here today, and we're going to show her what we all do as far as today's our maintenance repair day. And we're going to show you how to change a belt. When we get over there, we'll go through the process of step by step of how it's done. So next video will be on the belt tunnel. We're in the process of changing the H3 belt on the first floor of the mill. This happens frequently, I guess. The belts wear out here. He's cutting the belt for us to tie in the new one. Here we're getting ready to lift up the new belt and put it in position. This is what they call rigging. Here we're drifting it over into position for tying in the new one into the old one. This is a lot of chain pawl work, so you gotta watch out for pinch points. Here we're tying the new belt, putting it in position to put the new one into the old one. And here we're drilling holes into the new belt into the old one to connect them two together. When you pull the old one off, the new one goes on at the same time. And sometimes this here is not easy to do because it's heavy. And here this is what they call a lacing that we're putting in to tie them together. There's a top and a bottom, and there's two nuts that you tighten down. Here we're cutting off the excess of the lacing where it doesn't catch when we pull it around.
Okay, today we're going to be walking down in the tunnel. We're going to take a look at the stone that we're going to drop through our pockets, loading on the conveyor belt. It's going to run through our screen house and onto the boat. So let's go down in the tunnel and take a look at where the stone comes from. On these pockets, our loader usually controls them in automatic position. If for some reason we need to control them, we can flip our lever with the hand, and we can manually control the pocket down here at location. We have scale readouts in our tunnels so our loaders know exactly how much tonnage they're putting on to load the correct blend of stone for our customers. At regular intervals during the boat load, we will take samples that are lab processed to make sure we're within specs that our customer requires. All the sample buckets are labeled with the name of the boat, the name of the customer, the blend of the stone, and which number of sample it's going to be.
Okay, so today Matt and I went up to the upper yard. We got a piece of T1 metal, which is hard to withstand abrasion. And we got our measurements here, and we're going to weld these chains on here. And we're going to hang this plate where the one screen feeds through the ceiling here. The stone comes out here. When it comes to the second screen, it comes shooting out real fast. We want to hang this plate suspended by these chains here, so it'll give somewhat, it'll slow the stones down to get better screening, and it'll be safer in the screen house so they're not flying all over the floor and out of the screen. So Matt's going to fire up the welder here. We have a little bit more welding here, we can show you that. And then we'll take this in the screen house and suspend it from the hooks.